Let's go to page 63 and start with number 2. Okay, so you have the point at 3, -5, and m equal to -4/5. Okay, and you're looking for the equation of the line. Okay, normally when you have point slope, you want to use a point slope form, but I want you to use the formula in 2.8. Okay, so first you need to find your a and a b. Okay, so m equal to -a/b. Okay, and so you have, so this is equal to -4/5, right? So you match it up, so you can see that the negative match up. Okay, you always match up the a first, and a is always positive. So a will equal to 4. Okay, so that takes care of this over here, and negative match already. So you can see that b equal to 5. So once you get your a and the b, you can write down your equation. So you're going to get 4x plus 5y. Okay, so that's your left hand side part. Now to figure out this side, what you do, you use the same format. So you're going to just have 4 parentheses plus 5 parentheses, and whatever the point that you want to go through, you just put this point in here. So it'd be 3 and -5. Okay, and just work it out. So you got 4x plus 5y equal to 12 minus 25. So 4x plus 5y equal to -13. Okay, and it doesn't ask you for any particular form, so whatever you get, that's it. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 4. So you got 2, 2, and m equal to 2/5. Okay, so again, m equal to -a/b, and this is equal to 2/5. Again, always match up your a first. A is always positive, so a equal to 2. And you can see that -b equal to 5, so b had to equal to -5. Okay, so you can just match it up. Okay, so again, b will equal to -5, right? Okay, so once you get the a and the b, so your equation would be 2x minus 5y, right? 2x minus 5y equal to 2 times something minus 5 times something, right? So whatever you get over here is going to have the same format, right? And the blank would be the point that you want to go through. So you want this line to go through this point, that means you have to put this point in here. This would be 2, 2. Okay, and after that, just work it out. So 2x minus 5y equal to 4 minus 10. So 2x minus 5y equal to -6. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so you got -1, 2, and m equal to -3. Okay, now I'm going to put as a fraction, so it'll be -3/1, so I can match it up. So m equal to -a/b equal to -3/1. Again, a is always positive, so a equal to 3. Okay, you just match it up. So negative and negative matched, so b matched with 1. Okay, so now you're going to get 3x plus 1y equal to 3 times parentheses plus 1 times parentheses. Okay, again, you want this line to go through this point, so you have to put this point in here. So it'd be -1, 2. Okay, so -1, 2. Then you work it out. So you got 3x plus y equal to -3 plus 2. So you got 3x plus y equal to -1. Okay. And that's it for this one. Okay, number 8. So you got 2 comma -3 and m equal to -3/4. Okay, so again, m equal to -a/b, and this is equal to -3/4. So match it up. So a equal to 3, negative match with negative, so you got b equal to 4. So once you get this, you're going to get 3x plus 4y, right? 3x plus 4y equal to 3 times parentheses plus 4 times parentheses. Again, you want the line to go through this point, so you have to put this point in here. So it'd be 2, -3. Okay, this came from here. And then after that, just go and work it out. So you got 3x plus 4y equal to 6. minus 12. So you got 3x plus 4y equal to negative 6. Okay. Okay, good. Let's go to the next one. Okay, number 10, you have a equal to 3, b equal to 2. Okay, and then when it says write the equation with the x-intercept, a, and y-intercept. So these are intercepts. So since the intercepts are given, you just use the intercept form. So you're going to have x over 3 plus y over 2 equal to 1. Okay, and that's it. Now it doesn't ask you to put any particular form, so just use the intercept form. Okay, and number 12. Now, if you want to put in a standard form, you just multiply it by 6. Okay, so let's say if you want to put in another form, just multiply it by 6. Okay, and then you're going to get 2x plus 3y equal to 6. And that's how you get a book answer. Okay, but again, it doesn't ask you, so you don't have to do extra work. Okay, okay, number 12. You have a equal to 3, b equal to negative 4. So you're going to have an x over 3. And you're going to have y over negative 4. So put negative out here. Okay. Again, negative 4, so it's negative 4. Okay. And that's it. Okay. Okay. Number 14. Okay. You have a equal to negative 3 over 5. B equal to negative 2 over 3. Okay. So now again, you put x over negative 3 over 5 plus y over negative 2 over 3 equal to 1. Okay, so now it gets kind of messy, right? So this is not a nice number. So what you want to do is, when you have a complex fraction, okay, you can just multiply both the top, you can just multiply by, first let's get rid of a complex fraction. Okay, so first, notice there are 3 and 5, right? So to simplify complex fraction, you multiply by the common denominator on every part. Okay, so multiply 18 by 15. So that this will cancel out. So you're going to get 15x over negative 9. Okay, and this will cancel out. So it will be plus 15y over negative 10 equal to 1. Okay. Then after that, you can go and get common denominator. Actually, you want to reduce. Okay, you get 15 and 9, right? You can reduce by 3, so you get 5, negative 3. This one you can reduce by 5. Okay, so it'd be 3 and 2. So you got 5x over negative 3 plus 3y over negative 2 equal to 1. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply by common denominator again. So I'm going to multiply 18 by 6. Okay. So this is going to be a little bit messy. So when you cancel, you're going to get negative 2. So it'd be negative 10x. This one you cancel, you get negative 3. So it'd be minus 9y equal to 6. Okay, now the standard form, you cannot have a negative in the beginning, right? So what you need to do is multiply 18 by negative 1. So you're going to get 10x plus 9y equal to negative 6. Okay, so a little bit messy, but you just have to remember how to simplify complex fraction. Okay, so when you have complex fraction, multiply everything by the LCD, right? And again, just keep doing that, and that's it. Okay. Let's go to the next one. So you got 4x minus y equal to 8. And you want to put intercept form. So intercept form means you want to make this equal to 1, right? So just divide it by 8, right? Because you want to make this equal to 1. That's your intercept form. So divide it by 8 so that you get this equal to 1. So you got x over 2 minus y over 8 equal to 1. And this is your intercept form. Okay, 18. Okay, you got 4y equal to 9x plus 36. Okay, so first let's go and move this over. So minus 9x on both sides. So you got negative 9x plus 4y equal to 36. Okay, the next thing you want to do is divide everything by 36. You want to make this equal to 1. Okay, that's the intercept form. So you're going to get x over negative 4 plus y over 9 equal to 1. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 20. So you got 3x over 5 minus 12y over 5 equal to 4 over 3. Okay. Now you want to make this equal to 1. So normally you would divide, right? But you already have fraction. If you divide, you're going to end up with a complex fraction. So you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is you need to multiply by reciprocal. Okay. So multiply it by 3 over 4. Okay. So multiply by 3 over 4. Multiply by 3 over 4. Okay. And so that this becomes 1. Okay. Now over here, you're going to end up with 9x over 20. And this one is going to end up with, you know what, this can cancel. 1 and 3. So you're going to get 9y over 5. Okay. Then next thing what you do is to get rid of this. Now you have to, normally when you multiply, you can go horizontal or you can do vertically. So for this intercept form, you have to get rid of this number on top. So what you want to do is you want to go vertically. So multiply the top by 1/9, multiply the bottom by 1/9, so that this will cancel out. So you got x over 20 over 9. Okay, this one you do the same thing. So that this will cancel out. So minus y over 5 over 9 equal to 1. Okay, and that's it. So you need to know how to kind of work horizontally and vertically. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, number 22. In the following exercise, find the equation of two lines through the given point, one line parallel and the other perpendicular to given line. Okay, so you have the point 1, 4, and you have the 3x minus 2y. I'm going to move the 40 to the other side, okay, equal to negative 40. Okay, so first let's go and do the parallel. So for the parallel, if you're going to be parallel to that, you will have the same slope. So you're going to have 3x minus 2y equal to a number. Okay, and we're going to use this technique over here. We're going to use this technique. Okay, so the parallel line will have this kind of form, and this number, to get that, you need to get 3 times parentheses minus 2 times parentheses, and you want this line to go through this point. So you have to put this point in here. Okay. So again, parallel line, we have the same slope. That means A and B are the same. So you got 3x minus 2y equal to 3 minus 8. So 3x minus 2y equal to negative 5. Okay, so this is your parallel line. Okay. Now for perpendicular line, your slope is going to be negative reciprocal. Okay, so first you need to switch the number. So you're going to get 2x plus 3y. Again, the number got switched and the sign got changed. Okay, for perpendicular line, okay, parallel line, everything's same. Perpendicular line, switch the number, change the sign. Okay, now to figure out the number, again, you have to use this format. And you want to go through this point, so you have to put this point in here. Okay, so you got 2x plus 3y equal to 2 plus 12. So you got 2x plus 3y equal to 14. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, 24. The point is 3, negative 2, and the equation is x plus 8y equal to negative 3. So you can do the parallel. If the line is going to be parallel to that, you're going to have the same coefficient. So you're going to have an x plus 8y equal to something. To figure out this something, since this is going to go through this point, you need to have 1 times something plus 8 times something. And you want to go through this point, so this point have to go through, this point have to be in here. So you're going to have x plus 8y equal to 3 minus 16. So you got x plus 8y equal to negative 13. Okay, and that's it. So that's your standard form. Now to do the perpendicular line, so again, first you have to switch the number. So you're going to have an ax minus y, right? Again, so 1 and 8 switch, and positive become negative. Okay, so switch the number, switch the coefficient, and change the sign. And this will equal to 8 times something minus 1 times something. Okay, and again, you want to go through this point, so you have to put this number, put the coordinates in here. So you're going to have 8x minus y equal to 24 plus 2. So you got 8x minus y equal to 26. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here you got 0, 2, you got 1492 x plus 1776 y equal to 1985. Okay. Okay. So 1492, that's Columbus discovered America. 1776, that's the independence of America. 1985, this is the year that this book was written. Okay, so again, to parallel, from the parallel line, you need to have a 1492x plus 1776y equal to something. And you want to go through this point, so you have to put this point in here. So it would be 1492 times something plus 1776 times something. Okay? And that number is, you want to go through this point, so you have to put this point in here, so it would be 0, 2. So you're going to get 1492x plus 1776y equal to, okay, get your calculator, you multiply out, and you're going to get 3552. Okay. Okay, to find perpendicular line, you have to switch the number, so it'd be 1776x, and change the sign, so it'd be minus 1492y equal to, so 1776 times something minus 1492 times something. Again, you want this to go through this point, so you have to put this in here, so it'd be 0, 2. So you're going to get 1776x minus 1492y equal to negative 2984. Okay, and that would be your equation. Okay, let's go to 28. Okay, so you have 2 points. You get A at 6, 4, B at 4, negative 2. Okay, so you're looking for the perpendicular bisector of this. Okay, now the best way to do this kind of problem is go and sketch it out. Okay, it helps you to visualize. Okay. Okay, so A is 6, 4. Okay, B is 4, negative 2. Okay, so first you sketch this. And next you need to find you're looking for perpendicular bisector. Okay, that means you're looking for this right over here. You're looking for that. Well, to find a perpendicular bisector, first you need to find this midpoint over here. So from midpoint, you just average the two. So you add, you get 10, divide by 2, you get 5. Okay? You add, divide by 2, you get 1. Okay? So again, midpoint, you average the two, you get that. Next, you have to find the slope. Okay? The slope of this equal to, you can get it from here. You can use the formula, or you can just get it from here. So it's rise over run. So it'd be 3 over 1. Right? See this over here? right? So that's 3 over 1. Okay, see the slope is 3 over 1. Okay, so anyway, so that's your slope. So now, if the slope is 3 over 1, then this perpendicular slope will equal to negative 1 over 3, right? It's negative reciprocal, okay? So now you have point, you have a slope, you can go and find your equation, right? Okay? So from here we can see that the midpoint we get is 5, 1. And the perpendicular slope equal to negative 1 over 3, okay? Now you can use point slope form, or you can use the other method. I'm using the other method. So m equal to negative a over b. So this is equal to negative 1 over 3. So a equal to 1, b equal to 3. That means my equation will have 1x plus 3y equal to something. Equal to 1 times something plus 3 times something. Okay? And I want this to go to the midpoint, right? The perpendicular bisector. So I need to put 5, 1 in here. So I get x plus 3y equal to 8. And that's my equation. That's my perpendicular bisector. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 30. The point A is 0, negative 4. Point B is 4, 6. Okay? Okay, so again, I'm going to sketch it out, help you to visualize. So 0, negative 4. So that's point A. No, I'm going to do it on the other side. So this is point A at 0, negative 4. Okay? And B is 4, 6. 4, 6, right over here. So that's B is 4, 6. Okay, so I'm looking for perpendicular bisector of these. Okay? So again, first you need to find the midpoint. Okay? So your midpoint, you average the two. To average, you add, divide by 2, right? So 4 and 0, you add, divide by 2, you get 2, right? 6 and negative 4, when you add, you get negative 2, divide by 2, you get 1. Okay, or you can see it from here, right? It's 2, 1. Okay, again, you're looking for perpendicular bisector. Okay. So first, again, let's go and find the slope. Again, to find the slope, since you have graph paper, it's very easy. This is 5, this is 2. So the slope is equal to 5 over 2. Okay? So the slope is 5 over 2. And so the perpendicular slope is equal to negative 2 over 5. You also can see it from here. See over here? To get from here to here, see over here? So you have to go 5 and negative 2, right? 5, negative 2. See that? Okay? So when you graph it out, it's very simple, okay? Very fast. If you don't, then you have to use a formula, okay? So use, the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and simplify, you get that. And take the negative reciprocal, you get that. Anyway, so from here, we get the midpoint at 2, 1. And we have the slope at negative 2 over 5. Okay? Again, you're looking for perpendicular. Okay? So that's that. Again, I'm going to use the slope equal to negative a over b. This is equal to negative 2 over 5. So by matching it up, so I got a equal to 2, b equal to 5. So my equation would be 2x plus 5y equal to 2 times something plus 5 times something. Okay? Now to figure out what goes in here, since you're going through this point, now do not use any of the point because you can see that this does not go through those points. So do not use these points. This line goes through the midpoint, so you have to use the midpoint. Okay? So put this in here. Okay? So you're going to get 2x plus 5y equal to 5 plus 4 to give you 9. Okay, and that's it. Okay. So again, when you sketch it out, with a graph paper, it makes a lot easier. If you don't, you have to use a formula and calculate everything. Okay.